How to connect Google Sheets to your Shopify store? In today's video, I will show you how to connect Google Sheets to your Shopify store, so let's get started. Let's install Coefficient. First, open a new Google Sheet, click Extensions from the top menu bar, click Add-ons and Get Add-ons. Search for Coefficient in Google Marketplace. Click the first result in the search results and click Install. Click Continue, select the account and click Allow. And you are done. To connect to your Shopify store using the Coefficient app, launch Coefficient from the Extensions tab in the top menu. Follow these steps. Click Extensions, click Coefficient, and click Launch. Select Import from, select Shopify, and click Connect. Enter your store name, and click Authorize. Enter your Shopify email address, click Continue, enter your password, and click Login. Select the table in which you would like to import data from. I'll choose Customers. Select just a few columns, or select all, and click Import. And with just a few clicks, you've connected to your Shopify data source. Shopify Help Center. Thanks for watching.